So this time we have Henry in a black livery as a black 5, one of the black 5 engines. I just painted over Henry, and I changed the tender. This tender is from a Gordon model. It is fully painted, really nice model, fully serviced. And the lining is made of vinyl. All the lining you see around here, everywhere, and the sticker here, the letters are vinyl. So this one also, if you are interested, link in the description. As always, if the link is there, it's because it's still available. If not, and it's because it's sold, so I'm gonna put it in the track. Now this one takes a C battery, and it's not a loud engine, it's kind of quiet engine. So there you can see it with more details. This model is, let me see, it's a Tomy 1993. Even on this side say 2002. It does come with a brand new rubber tires, this rewiring, new wires, and it's I think it has a new motor too. I don't remember if I replaced a motor, but it's been serviced with all the lube needed for the gearboxes, for the gearbox and the gears. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. That is Henry as a black 5.